Guys, you will not believe what I just got. This is the Dji FPV drone. I've been wanting this for the longest time. So I think that only means one thing. But I don't know so you guys can see it. These are pretty sick. Going around, I just can't wait to fly this thing. Whoa! This is too much fun. Oh, did you guys think that I was actually flying? No. No. I need to take steps first. Okay, there's so many cords. You don't realize how many cords are in this. There's so many steps you need to do before you actually go and fly. And this is where you need to start. Get in the simulator, get good before you actually go out and hurt yourself, hurt someone else, or break your drone. Really, the drone is not cheap regardless. So there's a lot of steps. Oh my god, yeah, I'm going way too high right now. Yeah, come with me and I'm gonna show you and like walk you through some of like the tutorials and stuff too. So there's basically a bunch of different tutorials you can do, right? These cords are driving me crazy. Why are there so many? Why are there so many cords? So they have a bunch of different courses you can choose, actually just 3. So the factory, they have the soccer field, and then they have the parking garage. So it's kind of beginner, medium, hard-ish roughly, right? But they're all different. Soccer field's pretty cool too. It's very open, but there's still, you know, if you want to do a precise obstacle, you still have the option to do that. I love just dipping through these. It's so fun. And then you can kind of, since you have a really flat plane, you can work on getting really close to that. That's what I like to do to practice, like if I was flying around a subject, or if you want to, I don't even know, there's some cool stuff to do in here. I love doing this. Okay, hold on. The factory is just hard. You have to stay very low, and that's the one thing I think I haven't, see? It's the one thing I think I don't think I got yet with the FPV. The normal drone, you know, keeps the altitude for you, but on an FPV, that's the one thing you have to maintain by the way you use it completely, you know? See, I struggle with that. Okay, here we go again. And then you just have the OG, which is the factory, which I think is my favorite map for like the actual shots I want to get with like drones, then just over like pretty cool stuff. It's definitely this map that I practice on the most. But there's a bunch of other softwares you can use too, so this isn't the only one I'd recommend. It's just very easy to plug in and then go. You know, you don't have to worry about downloading software and then connecting the device. It's all pretty self-explanatory, which makes it pretty simple. Talk about how easy this map is. Okay, I'm convinced I'm about to throw up. Oh my god. I feel like I'm about to throw up. And I know it sounds like I'm joking around or whatnot, but like literally I feel nauseous right now. Not on the white couch. Not on the white couch, Jack. So, yeah, it definitely helped. This is supposed to have at least 10 plus hours of flight time in the simulator before you ever touch your drone. But I think I'm good. Yeah, I think we're ready to go, honestly. So let's do it. Let's go. Okay, so I just got to Seattle. This is Mason.
What's up, guys?
He's one of my long overtime throwback day one buddies, and he lives here. So we have so much stuff planned out, and we're actually going to a couple really cool spots right now. We're supposed to go to this Soldon something. It's like this really cool bridge hike. Probably do some more research on the way to see how long it actually is. Just got a new drone. We're trying to play with that. And yeah, there should be a really cool like lookout hike we're gonna do too, so we'll get some crazy B-roll of that. And then there is a hot springs. That's like the last thing we kind of have on the map, and we'll see if we have time for that, and if we're willing to actually get in the hot springs. That'll be kind of up to us after the day and see what we're doing. So we'll keep you guys posted. Yeah, let's get to it. So we're on this ferry right now, and it is actually like crazy. Not only cold, but it's like so majestic. About to get some like crazy B-roll. B-roll. Can you the B-roll? Mason's scouting it out right now. So we just got off the ferry, and we thought it'd be a lot easier to actually get the drone footage on the ferry, but it actually moves. Like, ferries move pretty quick. We weren't expecting that. And the wind was super intense. So now we're gonna try to get some ferry content not on the ferry, so we can actually get the drone back. So we're gonna do that, so check it out.
Looking at here.
It's looking good right now. I get a little closer. It does move pretty quick, I'm not gonna lie. And guys, that's how you get some crazy shots. And yeah, so don't fly on the ferry. Always just fly on the ground, because you know you can return it, because it's pretty cold and windy, and this thing was like kind of having a hard time with the signal. But yeah, 46% left, just to be safe, because when you're over water, you never get anywhere close to landing range. And the new propellers did pretty good, don't you think?
Yeah.
I was honestly surprised. So we are going to be hiking Mount King. What is it?
Mount King?
It's Mount Storm King.
Yeah, Storm.
And it is about 2 miles, so it's not gonna be anything crazy. 2 miles basically straight up to see this like crazy view right here. Like if you're looking out right now, it is actually insane. So you ready for it?
Oh yeah, let's get this shit.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, we'll link up with you guys when we get to the top. But we'll get you some B-roll on the way, so don't worry about that.
We're lost. I don't know where we're at.
Okay, we're not lost. But the trail's actually quite a bit more steep than we had planned, because I'm having at least like 30 pounds, but like 20 pounds of like extra weight in my backpack with like gear and stuff.
Yeah, I got like an extra like 5 pounds
in my bag, but we're doing good. I feel like we're halfway to the top, so we'll see how it goes. Ready to keep going? Okay, let's go. Is cold up here now. Okay guys, we just made it to the top. We just flew not only the FPV but my other drone too. You have to see this footage we got, check it out. you guys like that. Mason's on the camera right now. I almost crashed my FPV drone, and bro, look at this view. We did this in probably like what, maybe like an hour or so?
Yeah.
Hour or so to the top, and this is the view. Like, how do you do like an hour hike and you get to this? Like, this is just insane. But we're about to head back down because it's getting cold as hell up here, and we're gonna be trekking in the dark if we don't leave soon. So, see you guys at the bottom. Okay, we just got to, where did we get?
Cape Flattery Trail.
Okay, and basically what we're trying to do is get some crazy drone flying shots. So come with us, see if we can do it. Mace, you think we can do it?
Oh, I think we could do it, all right.
I think we can do it, let's do it. Okay, baby, let's go have fun now. Okay guys, so as we've seen from the other footage I got from Washington, flying FPV is extremely hard, and it's a lot harder than I originally expected. With that being said, I think I'm starting to get it down. After hours of just practicing in the simulator and just slowly starting to like get better and better, I think I'm ready for like a real flight, like a real like. Let me just show you, like this watch. I'm feeling it today, okay? But yeah, let's get going. Let's get to it. I think I can launch it. I've seen so many videos how they just take it off like shoom, they straight out there. I really want to launch it today, and there's only power lines right here. So as long as I stay away from those, I think I'll be good. So let's launch it. Let's launch this thing. Okay, guys. I think I'm ready. Let's do this thing. Oh my god. Even when it turns on like that, like it low-key like hurts your finger. Okay, I really don't know how to launch it because I have not seen any tutorials, so I'm pretty sure you just take it off in FPV mode, so. Whew. I'm scared to stand next to it, honestly, but okay. I think this will be a good distance right here. Here we go. I did it. Okay, the drone died. I had to get one last shot, but let's go recover the drone. It's by my old place over here. I should not have done that, but I mean, shit, it's what you gotta do to get this shot, bro. Let's go. I think I'm gonna start walking down that way. So let's go find the drone. I'm gonna bring you guys with me because we gotta walk and wait for this train. It might take a while, so. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is the train. I parked right here. I was flying it right here, but the train, it landed on the other side of the train. I could honestly, no way. We're gonna play it safe because we want to find the drone in one piece and alive. I don't know how far the bridge is because this drone moves so fast that, I mean, it can do, it's going 100 miles per hour. I mean, you can see the difference, like, it moves. Here's the bridge, so I know I landed it right past the bridge. So, be careful here. But now, here we go. We are going to get this drone. If I'm correct, it should be right here. And, ironically enough, I used to live right here in this building. It seems like the train's going through. No. this. Okay, we're looking for it. Thank God I didn't actually do this because I was flying it on the actual railroad track. I still don't see it yet because I kind of flew it like down over here. On the other side, it's a little deeper of a ditch though. Which I know can definitely, these are made to like take pretty significant beatings, so I know it like falling from 2 feet on the ground is not gonna be like make it or break it. But this train is so freaking long. Like it is not stopping. There goes the train. Oh, you would not believe it. The drone is f***ing fine. And it's recording us. There's no way. That was a cooped landing. So it basically, you turn it off. So it basically was, when I was over here, it started like emergency landing, and I didn't feel comfortable landing on the bridge. I almost had to land on the bridge, and I was about to land on the tracks because that's where it was making me land. And I was like, oh God, I do not want to land here. Like, there's too many things to hit. I was actually in between these small ones right here. I was literally gonna like basically emergency crash land. And then I just kept pushing through until I got right past the train. I was able to land right there. That couldn't have been more perfect. And now we have a nice sunset walk back. So thank you guys for watching. This drone is more than a toy. It's more than a hobby. This thing is freaking insane. If you don't already have one, go get one. I'm not sponsored by DJI. But their products just never fail to surprise me, and then some. This drone, let alone, is an insane landmark for like the technology in which they put into a ready-to-fly drone, when you used to have to like solder and like hardwire all of this stuff yourself. So with that being said, this is one badass drone that I think everyone needs to fly, that needs to have. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching my sketchy adventures flying my FPV drone when I don't know how to. But yeah, more videos like this to come. And yeah, keep creating, keep doing you. And thank God I did not crash this thing, because I mean, it's only 1,000 or something. But I mean, you add the GoPro too, you know, add that up. But still, when you can fly your drone like how I was just flying and still get it back in one piece, it's a good day. And with this view of downtown, it is definitely a good day. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, I cannot believe this thing is in such good condition. I mean, just look at it.